Hey y'all, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts, and today we have a new product. What it's got on here, it's got a hummingbird. So let's get started. We're gonna open this up and see what we have. This is a double-decker. Okay, they've got a little card in there for us. They've got instructions. Who doesn't love hummingbirds? I love my hummingbirds. We make our own hummingbird feeder because we all know the red dye is not good for our hummingbirds. So we mix 4 cups of water and 1 cup of sugar. Okay, here's our little hanging loops here. They are the same size. Let's see. I need to read instructions here. And see how we're supposed to do this. So y'all are learning with me. I'm gonna have to figure this out here. This goes through here. They've got pictures, y'all. They have pictures. But it says step 1 to take this, put this just like this. Okay, let's do the second one like that. Okay, this one's there. Okay. Y'all, it takes me a minute sometimes. Look. All right. So this one's gonna have to go through here. Just like that. Okay, just like that. Okay, now we're getting it, y'all. It takes me a second sometimes. And there's this one, and it hangs just like this. All right, now, so I've mixed up our 4 cups of water, 1 cup of sugar, and I have it dissolved in here. We're gonna pour our nectar. Because I'm clumsy, let me set it down. This was just throwing me off. It was inside of that one, and I was thinking, do I leave it in there? But no, it was for the little one. I can't wait to see how my hummingbirds are gonna love this. So you know, the lid just fits on top. And in most hummingbird feeders, you know, you screw it on, you turn it upside down, you fill it up, and then you flip it over. And I have a couple that leaks. So I'm really glad that this one you don't have to turn upside down. And let's see, they have the big one on top. And then they have the small one on bottom. So this was really simple. And I love that you don't have to fill it up, you know, turn it upside down, fill it up, and then flip it back over, and you get sticky nectar all over you. This is a great design, I think. All right, let me push this down in here, make sure. We're gonna go hang these, and I'm gonna try to capture some video of the hummingbirds and how they like this. let's go. Hey y'all, I almost forgot to tell y'all, the link for the hummingbird is in the description of this video. So you can go down there where it says see more, click on it. In the description, it'll have the link there. You just click on it, go to Amazon and get yours ordered today so your hummingbirds can enjoy your bird feeder. And you don't have to buy the ones that you have to turn upside down to fill up and then get it everywhere. This one is messy free. So the link is in the description, and now we're gonna see the footage that I got. My hummingbirds absolutely love this feeder, so 2 thumbs up. Y'all have a great rest of your day. I hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Come back and see me again. All right, y'all. hope y'all enjoy my hummingbirds.